Hey there guys, so we are gonna unbox this new box. I don't know what this is, so yeah, we're just gonna see. We're gonna open this pretty quickly. Ow, I just cut myself. That's nice. We're gonna speed through this. Now kids, I advise you not to rush when using scissors, but I am trained professional with the scissors. As you can see with my shirt, I am a survivalist. Don't doubt. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at this packaging, it's so nice. Ooh. So here it is, a new keyboard. Okay, so that is odd. This isn't closed well. But and Pro 2, here we go guys. As you can see, my keyboard's over there just being a loner. It's the and Pro 2. So oh my god, it looks so nice. It's so small. I expected it to be big, but it's so small. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's so small. It looks so cute. Look at that. I did order blue switches as well. So this is what I want. Gateron blues. These are Gateron blues, by the way. And this is not for Osu, but I am used to the blues, so it's fine if I play Osu. Put that on the side for now. So this is the warranty card. Not too shabby about that. Let's see. There's definitely stuff on. Ooh! We got our keycaps right here. Everyone puts this on, so I'm gonna put them on. USB Type C right there, and a keycap puller. This is essential. And yeah, we're gonna keep the box because the box looks absolutely gorgeous itself. Don't you agree? The box is actually pretty good. It's so like, oh.
Is it just plain?
Is it just plain what? Yeah, this is it. That's it. I expected it to be a really large rise. It's not that bad, honestly. Like, I can play like Tfue now. Yeah. Yes, I can play like Tfue. Hell yeah. So look, this is my entire desk, right? Look at that mouse space right there. Look at that. Look at that mouse. Look at that space, man. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, don't mind the wiring in the back. Alright guys, so I wanted to buy a Ducky 1-2 Mini, but people are like, no, the Ant 2 is better. I was like, alright, I'll just buy the Ant Pro 2 then, because people say it's better, and it looks pretty clean. I love the font on it. It looks really nice. The font is really nice. So the back, you can't raise it. Here's the Bluetooth. Oh, wait, what is this? Oh shoot. That looks cool. Okay, that looks sick, honestly. All right, we're gonna plug this in. It's a pretty thin wire too. That's pretty good. Now let's just. Is there an open port here? I just need to power that my main keyboard for the number pad, and just this one. I will edit this, by the way. There you go. Set up and ready to go. So, of course, with that, we need to install the software that comes with it. Oh my god. It's so nice, man. I can't help it. Oh my god. Oh, keycap puller. Nice. All right, we're gonna sort this out right here. So this is it, and Pro 2. Pretty nice looking. So, alright, so the RGB is a bit dim, but it looks cool though. Oh, you can change the brightness though. Oh. Oh, you can't really. Oh, wait, no. You can change it. Okay, alright, now it's really bright. Okay, that's good for me. I love that. I love that. You can't really tell because my room is on right now. My lights are on. We're not just gonna rip this, man. Alright, so I don't know where these keys are. Okay, so that's for that shift. Let's do that. So you guys, these are Gateron blues. So this is why I keep the bag, and I keep the bag kind of it still works. I don't know what this key is for. Most likely then. Let's have to see. Okay, I'm not used to this type of key puller, alright? I'm sorry. Alright. We're good. We can put everything back in here. So far, first impressions, I like this keyboard. Looks nice, it looks clean, it looks modern. Actually, that's what I wanted, is a modern design. And it's good for typing and gaming, so that's why I chose blue switches. Blue switches might not be the best for Osu, but you know, I play other games but Osu, so it's all good. Kinda used to the force of the blue switch. Alright, so we're gonna go into a typing test right now. And I'll see you guys over there. Alright guys, so we're gonna practice right now. Alright, let's do another one. I'm not fast at typing, by the way. Hands. Alright, so that's my typing test right now. That's all I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Just, I don't know, leave a like, I guess. This keyboard is so good. If you want a keyboard for gaming, I recommend you should get like these 60% keyboards. If you don't already have a normal size keyboard, which I recommend you should get first if you are a Twitch streamer and you control your stuff with the number pad, you should probably get a full-size keyboard first, and then if you want, then get a 60%. It's all good. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys later.